guys, Kaylee here, back with another video. Today's video is going to be as titled Top Knot Bun with Faux Bangs. Now if you'd like to see how I did the faux bangs and the top knot bun with one bundle, then stay watching. And before I even proceed to the next step, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you do know when I post another video. Also, I would like to actually engage with my subscribers, so if you guys can follow me on Instagram, tropical.punch, tropical.punch_, and add me on Snapchat, tropical_red, trxpical_red. So, not gonna ramble anymore, let's get into the video. But let me know down below what you guys think of this hairstyle, the steps that I took to get to this hairstyle. Like, would you guys try it? Do you guys do this already? You know, just let me know down below. Also, comment down any other hairstyles or videos you would like to see in the comment section. And that's about it. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here, right now. You feel me? Just make sure y'all do what I told y'all to do, because I'm on this road to 10,000 subscribers, baby. Help me get there. Hook Tinkerbell up. You feel me? But with that being said, mucho besitos till next time.